Hi, Kierrah. This is your tutor mate buddy, Nellija. I'm going to record a story that I think it will be fitting, if not for today, but for any other rainy days, to make your day just a more brighter, just a little bit more brighter. I hope you're doing well, and let's get to it. So, what is the story? The story is about Simon who loves the rain, and it's written by Anne Harth. So Simon loves the rain, written by Anne Harth. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. Take your umbrella, Simon, Mom says. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. There's so many colors so far. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. If you look at the picture, Simon's having so much fun already. So what does he do? Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. Look at him go in this picture. He's having even more fun. The rain is heavy. Plonk, plonk, plonk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slush, slush, slush. That mustn't been a pretty awful feeling to feel the water in your boots, don't you think? So what does he do next? Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. What do you think, Kierrah? Is she going to be happy about that? So let's get further. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. All right. What a lovely short story. I'm not sure about you, but when I was little, I definitely enjoyed playing outside in the rain and splishing and splashing with the water in the puddles. And here are a few questions for you to think about the story and to see if you can remember all of those colors and all of the storyline. So, first question: what color is Simon's umbrella? You're right, it's purple. Let's get to the second question. What type of day is it outside in the story? I don't think it's sunny, so it must be, you're right, rainy day. Question number three. So, what does mom give Simon? Hmm, I'll have to go back and recall exactly. Oh, that was a tricky question, but I'm sure you got it right. It was umbrella. And last question, what color is Simon's hat? Yeah, right. It's yellow. I hope you enjoyed uh, our recording. I do miss talking to you, Kierrah. I hope that you're catching up with lots of reading and well, have a great day.